x under square root times x under square root is equal to 3 times square root of 3. We have to find the value of x. This is called nested radical. To solve it, first we need to remove the square roots. We know a is under square root, it means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So if we have to remove the square root, we need to square it so that a raised to the power 1 upon 2 times 2, and then this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled and it becomes a. So if we square both the sides to balance the equation, we can remove the square root. So squaring both the sides. Now again, when a times b whole raised to the power of m, it is equal to a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m. So this square will be on 3 as well as on square root of 3, and in the left hand side, this square will remove the square root. It will be x times square root of x, 3 square times square root of 3 square. Again, to remove the square root, we square both the sides. X times square root of x whole square is equal to, this side we have 3 square and this square root, remove this square, times 3, then whole raised to the power 2. Now it is x square times x under square root whole square is equal to 3 square times 3 means when a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So it will be 3 raised to the power 2 plus 1 whole raised to the power 2. This side we have x square and this square root removes the square times x is equal to 3 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2, or x raised to the power 2 plus 1 will be 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power 6, because when a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Now let's cube root both the sides. X cube under cube root is equal to 3 to the power 6 under cube root. A cube root means it is raised to the power of 1 upon 3, or x to the power 3 times 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 to the power 6 times 1 upon 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 3 times 2 is 6, or x is equal to 3 square, or x is equal to 9. This is the value of x. We can verify this answer. 9 under square root times 9 under square root we have to check whether it is equal to 3 times square root of 3. Now 9 under square root is, now 9 times 9 under square root is 3. Now 9 is 3 square times 3 under square root, or we can write it as 3 square under square root times square root of 3. We remove the square root with this square. So it is equal to 3 times square root of 3. LHS is equal to RHS. So the value of x is 9. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.